Ka Akashvani North Eastern Service kabala jutip padba kum ka All India Radio kala penlong ya katamasa kabaidei bat ka culture menda ka sngim ha sosotham auditorium kum kadak ban kan mau buram lani ban Rakhe ya kajingdap khandai post nam jong kajing ai jing sakri jong ka Akashvani hapo kari India hi berok kawai ha gane kajing pli perda ya kajing Rakhe ya ka khandai post nam la pani pho ipeng na ki nongrwai na baro ki pratali ki jylla Shatai lami ngi harankat kajing peni pajba ya kajing riuspa kathan ha kajing per langba ki jaj surwai tenrai ha kani kasngi la yoru ya kajing kren na ka director general jong Akashvani ka prakya paliwar ghor kalapan pau ya kajing snokman jong ka bansaki bat yo snow ya kasur melung bat ki wei pat kisur na ki pratali ki jylla jong ka than stay lamingi hagani kasngi layo sngoru ya ka jingrwai na ka jayanta jamatia na Tripura lungleng trio na Mizoram Geo apartment Sikkim Rupam bat friends na Assam Innocent Eyes na Manipur AR flock na Arunachal Pradesh Fifth Note na Nagaland bat ka kynhun Somersault na ka jylla Meghalaya.
And Akashvani plays a very pivotal role, and Northeast service of Akashvani covering so many languages, so many dialects and different aspects of the vibrant cultures arena. It is a full of galaxy and it has a legacy. In the Shillong, now there are the other state-based Akashvani services are also, but Shillong service station is one of the oldest in the Northeast and it has its own importance. So, संयोग से अभी मुझे एक वीसी में जाना है इलेक्शन के लिए और मैं संभवतः लेट हो रहा हूं, तो मैं ज्यादा इस विषय पे और चर्चा करने के बजाय आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई और पुनः पुनः शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और इसी के साथ आपके इस कार्यक्रम की सफलता की भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूं, आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं कि आपका यह कार्यक्रम बहुत सफल हो और इसकी आवाज आज तक सीमित न रहे, हमारे मन की गहराइयों में उतरती जाए। एक बात और है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के जो मन की बात है, जिसके लिए आकाशवाणी एक नए दौर में परिभाषित हुई है, उसी तरह आज भी आकाशवाणी का समाचार आज ऐप पर भी उपलब्ध है। और एक बार आकाशवाणी का मैं एक शेयर करते हुए यहां खत्म करना चाहूंगा कि एक कार्यक्रम में मुझे यहीं आकाशवाणी शिलांग में बुलाया गया कुछ चर्चा के लिए और मैंने कहा इसे सुना कैसे जाए, तो उन्होंने एक ऐप डाउनलोड कर दिया और आपका जो प्रसार भारती का यह ऐप है बहुत ही अच्छा है। और कभी कभी मैं गाड़ी में आते बैठते हुए कुछ न्यूज सुनना कुछ और हुआ, गाना सुनते हुए मैं उसका एक अच्छा यूजर बन गया हूं। तो आई रियली कांग्रेचुलेट कि आकाशवाणी हैव कम अप विद दिस न्यू डायमेंशन, यूजर फ्रेंडली एस्पेक्ट, और ये ऐसी चीज है जिसमें हमको समय के साथ बदलते रहना है। हमारी आवाज हमारी पहचान बनी रहेगी, लेकिन आवाज अनसुनी न रह जाए, सुनी जाए, अच्छे से सुनी जाए और वह गुनी जाए। इसका एक जिम्मेदारी हमें और सोचना है, आगे निभाना है। फिर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाओं के साथ राष्ट्रीय प्रसारण दिवस की आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद, जय भारत। खुबले मितेला।
That radio waves means hold the power of God. And when the rails start broadcasting 90 years ago in the country, isn't that beginning of the revolution? In these 90 years, radio has gone through a long journey. It has entertained people. It has informed people. It has educated people. But more than that, my dear friends, radio and in particular Akashvani has empowered people. It has taken the voices of very, very important people. The voice of Honorable Prime Minister is there on our airwaves. Proud moment for us every month. And it is there in different dialects and languages. That's another great thing for the nation, particularly for the Northeast. And on the same hand, on the same side, what makes Akashvani different from many other channels? That it carries the voice of the common people with equal respect. I hear the voice of one street vendor, one lady, one mom who is selling the fish in the market. Her voice goes on radio. That makes her feel that she is important. And that's the basic fabric of a democracy. I congratulate all of you for doing all these things. I thank our Director General and the officers of Directorate, our CEO, our Chairman and the officers of Prasar Bharati and the Ministry for being so kind, particularly for the Northeast, in supporting us, in telling us that we are always with you. They have given us some young hands in engineering fraternity. 158 new hands in engineering fraternity have made another revolution in the Northeast network. And maybe we'll get more in times in other disciplines as well. I take this opportunity to call upon every member of Akashvani all over India and in particular in Northeast, right from Zero to Tawang, to Edgewell, to Lunglei, to Gangtok. All of you are equally important. You are very, very important. You may be working at a smaller station, but what you do is priceless. You create waves. You create waves in the sky. You fill the sky with hope and positivity. Today, when in so many areas, I won't name it, we see so much of noise everywhere. There is noise outside the room. There is noise on the street. There is noise in the mind. In such scenario, it is Akashvani which gives voice, which gives soothing music, which gives you happiness, which gives you smile. So keep on doing that. We are proud of you. My dear technicians, my dear casual assignees, my dear helpers, my dear clerks, each one of you is important. Please do your best in building the nation. Khoble Shivan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Into a powerful public tool, the institution Akashvani, which is the voice of the nation. Next year on June, we will be completing 90 years as Akashvani. It would be a momentous year, and we have already started the celebrations, and today's celebrations is the beginning of these celebrations in the Northeast. As we approach these historic milestones, Akashvani stands renewed, relevant and ready for the future, as I can see from the youngsters present here. For you all, for the new generation, we have evolved. We have taken several steps to bring Akashvani closer to the younger generation and to the new generation, the Gen Z that is called. We have, as spoken earlier, Mr. Tiwari said, we have our News on AIR app on which you can listen to anything, news, music, anywhere, anytime. Recently, we launched an OTT platform, Waves. I request you, all of you, to download that and watch all the radio channels. All the radio channels are there on this OTT platform. You can listen to it anywhere on the go. There are several good content. The Akashvani archives is also available on this OTT channel. And over the past years, Akashvani News, which has, for decades, it has stood as a pillar of truth in the ever-evolving media landscape. In this age where instant information and fleeting headlines take space, Akashvani remains a beacon of credibility and composure. For millions across the country, Akashvani is not just a source of news, it is the voice they trust. And our commitment to the verified, balanced and unbiased reporting is not just a journalistic standard, it is a national responsibility that we carry with pride and purpose. As a performing art, music is a powerful yet warm tool in reinforcing the enduring spirit of unity in diversity, and the entire Northeast is a musical microcosm in itself, a slice of which we are about to witness in this event. I know you all are looking forward to it. On our National Broadcasting Day, it would be pertinent to specially mention the immense contribution of our stations across the 8 northeastern states. And music has its own magic, and it has a lion's share in the programming mix of these stations. May the relationship between All India Radio, Akashvani and our beloved listeners across the Northeast continue to blossom and bloom, making it more fruitful for all and especially the younger generation. But as of now, as you surrender your senses to the vibrant rhythm and melody of one performance after the another, enjoy this special concert to the fullest. I have been told that the same concert will also be telecast on DD Bharati, so you can watch it there too. Once again, my warmest wishes to all of you on this National Broadcasting Day. Thank you.
We are ancestors of a mother. Let's rest back and take care of each other. 'Cause we are sisters of a mother. Let there be joy shared among us. Let there be peace shared among us. Let there be fresh understanding shared among us. Let there be love shared among us. Let there be love in our eyes. We are ancestors of a mother. Let's rest back and take care of each other. Na 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 recognize ourselves again. Our homeland is the dearest to us. Our homeland is the dearest to us.
Trouble
কি মতে তরুণ আই তোরে হই মই মরুণ বুকু হম হম করে মোরা নিদ্রা হরে মোরা পুত্র হই মাই কি মতে তরুণ আই তোরে হই মই মরুণ বুকু হম হম করে মোরা দেখরে চন্দ্রমা কালেন্ধারে আবরে অগণী কালিকা দেহরম ধেরম ধেসরে বুকু হম করে মোরা গুনে নিদ্রা হরে মোরা পুত্র হই মাই কি মতে তরুণ আই তোরে হই মই মরুণ বুকু হম হম করে মোরা जिस तन को छुआ तूने उस तन को छुपाऊं जिस मन को लगे नैना वो किसको दिखाऊं कोई चंद्रमा तेरी चांदनी अंग जलाए तेरी
We are exposed to music every single day and in every aspect of our lives. So this is one of the songs that we grew up listening to from our father's time, and we'd like to give our rendition of this song to suit our love and our thirst for rock and roll. This next song is called Rakhe Zone.
to these lonely hearts. Behind there, I see your light.
sorry for the inconvenience. So we really make you guys wait for long due to some technical errors. Still we haven't. Here we are.